Hi people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to see full call history on your phone, step by step, in a simple and clear way so anyone can follow along. First of all, open the phone dialer app. This is the main application you use to make and receive calls, and it also stores all information related to your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Next, tap on the Recents or Call History tab. Here, you will see a list of all recent calls, including incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. To see the full call history, simply scroll down the list. Your phone automatically saves call details such as phone numbers, contact names, call type, date, and time. If you want to view more details about a specific call, tap on that call entry. This will show you additional information like call duration and call frequency with that contact. Now, if you wish to delete call history, press and hold on a call entry or tap the edit option, then select the call or multiple calls you want to remove. After that, tap on delete and confirm your action. You can also clear the entire call history at once using the clear or delete all option in settings. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and useful tech tutorials.